Hi, I'm Joe and I'm a teacher. I'm going to show you how to create a simple festive decoration using the clear baubles from the YPO catalogue. To make your snowman, you'll need clear baubles, PVA glue, pipe cleaners, glue spreaders, wiggly eyes, and white pom-poms. For a simple snowman, fill the plastic bauble with white pom-poms and connect the edges. Thread some string through the open hole so that the bauble can be hung. Use the PVA glue to stick on some wiggly eyes and an orange mouth for a happy snowman face. These baubles are a fantastic product that can hold plenty of designs. Great for creative minds.